Video number 36. Welcome to this channel. Learn more about the sound spectrum effect in After Effects. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Import music and images. Drag the music and put it in the timeline. This creates a composition with a track duration. By pressing the L key twice, we can make the waveform visible. Select a piece of music. Separate the desired part with shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D or use the split layer in the Edit menu. Trim the length of the timeline to the size of a piece of music. Drag the image into the composition. The image is not separate from the background and we want it separate. Delete it. Open the image in Photoshop. Select the Magic Wand tool and select Subject from the enabled toolbar. After selecting the image range, select and mask and modify the selection range more professionally. Using the Refine Edge Brush tool, more accurately separate the hair from the background. Click OK. Now we have a more accurate selection. Using the Add Layer mask in the Layer window, create a mask from the selected area. Save the file with PSD extension. Open the After Effects program. Double-click on the project window to open the import window. Import the PSD file. Because we do not need to separate the layers, so put it in footage mode. Very good. Customize the size and place it in the center. Add a solid layer for the background. Use the gradient ramp effect and adjust the color and location to achieve the desired image. Add another solid layer. Apply the audio spectrum effect to it. When the selected layer is drawn using a rectangle tool to be a circular mask. The music is in layer 3. Set the audio layer to layer 3 mode. Set the mask mode for the path to create a waveform with a circular shape. Set the mask to inverted by checking. Increase maximum height. The difference between inverted checking is quite obvious. Set the end frequency to 300. I think it is good to set the frequency bands to 150. Set the softness to 0. Set the thickness to 20. The number of bands is high. Set to 100. We do not want the inside of the circle and we just want it to be outside the circle, so put it on side B. Make a duplicate of the layer and reduce the thickness. Put the older layer track matte in alpha inverted matte mode. Very good. Choose the desired color. Create another duplicate from the slide layer with the circular mask and clear the audio spectrum effect. Apply the stroke effect on it. Reduce its size and increase the thickness of the line and place it in the center. Put all the layers related to the circle in a new composition using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. Set the mode to add. Turn on the new 3D comp check. Rotate around the 3 axes X, Y, Z to reach the desired position. Make a duplicate of the photo and move it to the top of the comp layer. Make a mask from the part that we want to be behind the photo using rectangle tools. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.